How to multiply? Hope last class most of the students they didn't give answer for the question. Now let me see how many will answer. Write the answer in the chat box. Simply multiply these two and answer you type in the chat box. Multiplication of these two. I intentionally use a different color so that those who are having a difficulty they can understand. 0 into 0, 1 into 1 plus 1 into 1, 0 into 1, 1 into 0, 1 into 0. If I add all, so I'll get a 0. This is the first bit. And everybody got a 0 only. First bit. Second bit also I think they got 0. Third bit I think majority got 1. Those who are having difficulty how to multiply, they can just go through and they can understand. And similarly you can do for a second column as well as for third column. So example yesterday I have copied already. H equal to given, and we discussed find all the code words, and these are the things which you have to always recall for this chapter. G equal to IP, C equal to DG, H equal to P transpose I, S equal to RH transpose, CH transpose equal to 0. When during my class I will ask you to type something in the chat box, you should do it fast. It will become a revision for you people so that you will become an expert in this particular solving the problem in this particular chapter. Now given 74 NKR yesterday I have already typed in the chat box. Let me go to the next, and simply I have to multiply this. You please try to understand. I have taken a H equal to P transpose I, but G equal to I need a P. So therefore transpose if I take from this I will get a P. Therefore this is a row, I have taken it as a column. Hope most of you have understood last class what we did. Again I am repeating for your revision. Now let me go to the next. Remember either you can do this C5 equal to D1 plus D2 plus D3, or you can simply multiply D1, D2, D3. If you add D1, D2, D3 you will get a parity bit 1. If you add D1, D2, D4, D1, D2, D4 you will get a next parity bit. Last 1, 0, 1, 1, D1, D3, D4 if you add you will get a C7. Either you can do addition, but usually we prefer doing the multiplication, and you can write the answer. How to multiply just now you have seen. Hope most of you understood. Now what I want is a code words. I want you people to type the code words. Take a D equal to 0000 or 0001, 0010 like that. Take a few and multiply C equal to and write on the code word in the chat box. Take a 2 minutes, try to do it. I think Priyanka had a doubt. We had a discussion. Now she got the idea how to multiply. Simply multiply D1 into this 1, D2 into 1, D3 into 1, D4 into 0. You'll get a 1 bit when you add all. Similarly, you have to do it for this column and this column so that you'll get the 3 bit parities. I think now Priyanka is getting correct answer. 0101 101. Yes, Priyanka, it is correct. Can you do one more or two more without seeing our slide? If answer is correct, then I'll be happy to continue. Even Priyanka also got 110. Now let me show you the okay, no problem. So let me show you the complete code words. You can take a minute, you can glance, even if you want you can copy down also. I will spend a 1 minute for this. If you want to ask also, you can write in the chat box. I will have a discussion for a minute. Take another example. Consider generator matrix for 6-3 block codes. Consider a generator matrix for 6-3 block codes. Find all the code words. Find all the code words. Find all the code words. G equal to 100011 first row, 100011 first row, 010111 second row, 0 0 1 1 1 0 third row. After copying, I want you people to type what is the G equal to equation, C equal to equation in the chat box. All of you should know G equal to IP, C equal to D into G. Just revise every time because most of the problems we need these things. Let me go to the present problem and let me write down whatever is given in the problem statement. Given is 6, 3 and when I say 6, 3, all of you know how to understand 6, 3. See, he has given already 6, 3. What is the K value here? Can you tell? K equal to, N equal to, R equal to. Can you type in the chat box? Very good. K equal to 3. Everybody is typing. N equal to 6. So good to see all of you. Very good. And R equal to, the N is 6. Okay, good. And coming to the S, 3. And now let me come to this slide. Here N equal to 6, K equal to 3, N minus K equal to 3. It's correct. Now C equal to D into J, I have to do. So D is what? 0 0 0 up to 1 1 1. This G is given. So now you have to multiply these, find code words, type at least 3 4 in the chat box. Your time starts now. For H equal to what? S equal to what? Type the equation H equal to, okay, H equal to P transpose I. Vidya is typing, very good. S equal to P transpose, Nisarga has typed P transpose I, sir. S equal to R into H transpose, Nisarga has typed. Very good. So if you know these, now you have to do that. Let me at P transpose I, okay, RH transpose, RH transpose, okay. I think S is equal to Rashmi is typing. Now P equal to given. Now I need a P transpose so that I can write H. So H equal to P transpose, I had to write H now. All of you write down H. Take a P, take a P transpose. Then we'll go for a H equal to P transpose I. Then you write down H transpose in your notebook. Then I'll show you the H transpose, you can compare. Very good. Nisarga has completed H transpose. If all said done, then it will be easy for me to go to the next. So let me show you the H transpose. Compare what you have written in your notebook with this H transpose. Both are same, then it will be good. So just cross verify. Take a 10 seconds. H transpose, what you have written and what I got. Very good. Priyanka told both are same, sir. Thank you. Then now let me go to the next. Code words we have already done. Take one code word 011011. Take that is received as it is 011011. Find the RH transpose. Write the answer in the chat box. Simply do the RH transpose. 3-bit answer you will get. What is that answer? You have to type in the chat box. So I think all of you have typed the answer now. So RH transpose equal to, when you multiply, you will get, first row again I have shown how to multiply, and answer I too got is a 0 0 0. The same thing people have typed in the chat box. Now C equal to 0 1 1 0 1 1. Received is 0 1 1 0 1 1. Using a mod 2 addition, okay, multiply and just check RH transpose is how much. Take a 1 minute and do it. Answer what I got is a 0 0 0. Just I have multiplied the what I got is 0 0 0. Just I change the color so that you people can observe. And now if r equal to 111011, I want you people to multiply. Find the RH transpose. Type your answer in the chat box. So most of you typed your answers. It is 011. Correct. And can you compare the previous R and this R? Which bit is in which bit I have changed? Can you type that in the chat box? Compare this R and previous R. Which bit I have changed? Earlier I got 0000. Yes, Vidya has identified it is the first bit you have changed compared to the previous what you have taken R equal to. Now observe carefully. This is 0111. Which row is a 011 in H transpose? Which row is a yes? I mean to say 011 in the H transpose. कौन सा row है 011? That you have to observe. So that bit will be in error. Yeah, Vidya has told first. Now let us go to the next. 00011 is the first row in H transpose. Therefore error is in the first position. Now let us repeat. If R equal to this, what is the S? If R equal to this, what is the S? All of you know the H, and just multiply R into H transpose. It's the H transpose. Just multiply R into H transpose, and type the syndrome R into H transpose what you are getting in the chat box. Okay, everybody is typing 110. For the second one 110, then what might be the error or which bit is in error? That also you can tell in the chat box. 110, everybody got a 110. Which bit may be in error? By observing that 110, you should be able to tell the answers. Yes, third row. Now, whatever you told, the same thing I am showing it to you people. Just observe, take a few seconds, because 110 is in the third row, third bit is in error. And initially it was S equal to 101, second bit is in error. This is the way how you have to do. Hope all of you have become expert in the multiplication now. Let us go to the next. Copy down this example. Consider 7-4 code. Find the code vector for 0101 1000 1011. Z equal to given, and type your answers in the chat box. Okay, answers are same. Rashmi also got 1000 111 1000. Vidya also got same answer. Nisarga also got same answer. Hope all of you understood how to find out a code word. Just I am showing you. All of you already typed the answer in the chat box. C equal to D into G. 0101 into G. I got this answer. One code. And similarly C2. And most of you got the same answer. 111 for 1000. All of you got the same answer. And third one. Also most of you got answer already. And 1011. All of you got is a 001. So now you are doing very fast. You are not taking much time. Now what I want is do CH transpose for all the three code words and type your answer in the chat box. Remember, for all the three you are supposed to get 000. Why? All the three are valid code words. You have taken a valid code word and you are doing a CH transpose. All of us know CH transpose should be equal to 0. C only we are taking as a R. So therefore CH transpose for all the three should be equal to 0, and most of you got 0 only. It's good. Let us go to the next another example. Copy down this example. For a 6-3 code, H matrix is given by H equal to 101 100 first row, second row 011 third row 110001. Take 1 or 2 minutes. First copy down this, then you can go for a code words, then we will talk about a Hamming distance of the code. Determine all code words and Hamming distance of the code. All of you know how to determine the code words. Hamming distance we will discuss. Take this as a homework, and you can type 1 or 2 if possible, otherwise take it as a homework, and next class you should be able to type, when I say any data word, you should be able to type a code word in the chat box. So we will conclude today's class. Thank you for attending the class, and take care, be safe. See you in the next class. Another 2-3 minutes. If you want to have any discussion, I will be here for 2-3 minutes.